Hello, good evening.
Evening.
Did you eat your snacks?
No,
Not yet?
no.
Oh, why? What did you do the whole day?
I'm playing a whole day.
Oh, you played the whole day. You don't have a class? You
Yeah,
don't? Why? Why you don't have a class?
I don't know,
Oh, look at this one. I have my pet, Nanu.
yay!
Nanu. This is Nanu. Hi, Lamyang.
Yay!
I, I, Lamyang. I am Nanu. I am Nanu Lamyang. You want this? You want Nano? Mm, mm. Nano is 4 months old. 4 months. Okay, so you want to play? I prepared a counting fish game.
Go.
Go.
Count the number
Go.
of fish and click the
Oh, you
correct
can now
answer
clean.
below. Tap on fish to help keep track of them. Watch out for the sea monster.
Oh, I don't see a fish.
Oh, you don't see? Wait. The fish is hiding. Oh, here's the fish. Okay, you can
One,
now.
four,
You can now click.
four.
Yang, you can now play.
3. That's too few.
Oh, click once only.
5. Nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's not 6.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
5. Sweet.
It's sweet.
2. Radical.
Radical. Oh, what happened to your neck?
1. Sweet. Four. Sweet.
Oh, there's a sea monster. There's a sea monster. Okay, done playing?
Yeah.
Oh, please do not move the mouse. Okay, Yang. Since you are done with the game, let's start our class. Are you ready to listen?
Yeah.
Why you ow, ow, ow? La 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 la. La 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 la.
Tiger, Tiger. Anh 6 tập 1.
Okay, look at here. You will write the correct spelling of the name of the following animals. Okay, can you write the name of the following animals?
Oh! It's not here. It's a car and that.
Oh, kindly write the name of the following.
It have an animal, all right.
What?
Have cat and dog. A train.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay, write the name. Write the name of the following animal.
Oh, this is a potato cat.
Okay, write the name of the following. Write their name. Write the name of the following animals.
Shock. Cat.
Oh, very good. This is a dog. Yes, it's correct. And this is a cat.
Yeah.
This one, what's the spelling of elephant?
Elephant.
E.
She's not correct.
Oh! Is that ele? Elep only?
Elephant.
Oh, do you know the correct spelling or no?
Correct. It's elephant.
Oh, it's elephant. You only write elef. It's elephant. Okay, kindly read the word that you write. Kindly read.
Dog. Cat. Elephant.
Elephant. Okay, have you seen an elephant, Yang? Have you seen an elephant? No? Oh, we're the same. We're the same.
Vietnam is not have an elephant.
Oh, I think the elephant is in the zoo. And we can visit the zoo. That's why we can see an elephant. Okay. Okay, please write their name. Monkey. What's the sound of the monkey?
Monkey.
Oh, monkey? It's monkey? Monkey? Oh, is it a monkey?
Yeah, monkey.
Oh, it's not a monkey.
Monkey.
Oh, what happened to my computer?
It already have?
No, we have more time. You don't want to see teacher?
No.
Want to see teacher?
I want to play more. Oh, again. Try it again.
Yes, you will write it again because...
I know.
Yay, go, yang, go, yay. Monkey, what happened to monkey?
Oh, no. Monkey. Mama, I want to write tiger. I know tiger. Tiger. Tiger.
This one. Do you know this? Oh, what's the spelling of lion? That is the spelling of lion? Oh, really? It's L-I-O-N only. Lion, L-I-O-N. Again, can you say it? L-I-O-N. Okay, how about this one? What is this?
Giraffe.
Okay, write the word giraffe. Write the word giraffe.
Giraffe. Giraffe.
Giraffe. Spell giraffe.
Giraffe is T-R-O-A-T.
G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Again, please read from the start.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Please read from the start.
G-I-R-A-F-E.
F, not fa. Fa is the sound of F. F. Okay, read from the start. What is that?
Monkey, tiger, lion, giraffe.
Okay, very good. So now let's proceed to your book. Oh, what happened to you? What happened to Lamyang? Are you okay, Lamyang? Lamyang is a dinosaur.
And I'm not dinosaur.
Oh, Lamyang, where is your homework? Why you didn't do your homework?
Because I don't have a color.
Oh, you have a lot of colors. You told me last time. Your daddy buy you a color.
My color. I can say my color.
Oh, you make this one tonight. This one like this. You will make like this. Look at, it's very nice. Cube. This is your homework.
Okay, okay.
Oh, look at that. The cube. And it has a drawing of different clothes. It's very nice. You should make this one, okay? Is it clear? You will pass it tonight. You will make this one. Lamyang, are you listening? You're a sister. You're not a baby anymore. You are a big sister, so you should know what to do. You're not a baby anymore. Okay, let's have an activity here. Look at. Please read the instruction. Please read. Circle.
Circle the
Odd.
dot.
Again, circle the odd one out.
Circle the odd one with work.
Out.
Out.
Again, circle the odd one out. Then,
The
write.
odd one out. They write.
Okay, look at the example. We have socks, short, cherries, and coat. Okay, so among the group of words, cherries is not belong. Because socks, shorts, and coat, that is a family that we can wear. A group of words that we can wear. And a cherries is a fruit. So that is why that is add one out. So you will encircle it and then you will write. I know you know what to do. Answer this one like number 1. Answer 2, 3, 4 only. What is the add one in number 2? Please read number 2. What is this? Lamyang, say it properly.
Plant.
Oh, why you encircle pineapple? Pineapple, orange, flat, tomato. So the add one here is flat. Oh, look at the difference. Pineapple, orange, and tomato. That is the group of words that we can eat. Flat is a part of a house. That is why this one is not belong to the group of words. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, answer number 3, 4. 3 and 4. You have one mistake. 3 and 4. Oh, Lamyang, do you know what is odd? Odd one? Okay, the odd one is a word that is not belong to the group of word. Like for example, sock, shorts, or coat. This is the family of words. And cherries is not belong to the group of word because that is a fruit. And it is not the same with shorts, socks, and coat. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yes, but what happened to your answer? Look at your answer. It's wrong.
Oh.
Oh, you are not reading it. You did not understand it. Why you erase your answer? It's already wrong. Why did you erase it? Make it fast because the time is running. It's so fast.
Bear.
Oh, why you change your answer? Because I say it.
Bear.
And why you did not encircle the word?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Number 4. What's the correct answer?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Are you done? Okay, flat. Flat is correct. And pier is correct because front door, living room, bedroom, that is the part of the house. Cardigan, biscuit, cardigan, biscuit, grape, banana. Biscuit, grape, and banana, that is a family of word. The correct answer is cardigan. Okay, you have 2/3. Are you happy with your score? Okay, so look at here. You will answer also this one. Lamyang. Okay, look at this one. Where's? Please read. Right, where's, we are, where are, his, she's, and there. Please read.
Okay. Where?
Where's?
Where are he?
Again, where's?
He. Where are he? She.
This one.
Oh, oh. And play.
There. Lamyang. There.
There.
Okay, so look at the example. Where's Billy? He's in the bedroom. Okay, please write your answer here. Please write your answer here.
Okay.
Choose your answer in the box. From the box.
Oh. erasers. That my erasers.
Okay, what is the answer in number 2? Lamyang, we have 5 minutes left. Please make it fast. Follow what is written here. You will write it here. Oh, look at the example, Lamyang. Where's Billy? He's in the bedroom. So, here is a question. There, mom and dad? This is wrong. Look at the example. Look at the picture. Look at the mark. It's a question. You cannot say there, mom and dad. You cannot say like that. It's wrong grammar.
Whoa.
Make it fast, Lamyang.
Wrong.
Okay, just tell me your answer. I will be the one to write to make it fast.
No, I want to write.
Okay, I will wait your answer. Make it fast. We have 4 minutes left. Make it fast. Oh, where is your answer?
Oh.
Oh, it's almost time. Oh, Lamyang. What happened to you? Okay, this is your homework. You will make a sentence. Simple sentence using where's, where are, his, she's, and there are. Okay? Where are mom and dad? They're in the kitchen. Yes, it's correct. Okay, so your homework is to make simple sentence using where's, where are, there, his, and she's. Okay? Lamyang. And record yourself. Video yourself.
Okay. You wait, huh?
Oh, wait. What have you learned? What have you learned?
I learn.
Smile.
Like fish and bird and
Oh,
bee.
do not forget your homework.